All right, I'm going to show you a little product here that I have going. I've got a pool cover. It's probably 15 years old. And it's one of those elephant covers that you can walk across and it won't break or bust. And I can attest that it's very strong, but I've got some holes in it. And these holes were made by, like, when I had a fire going and some ash kind of hit the cover and it melted it. So what I want to do is I bought this patch on Amazon, and I'm going to put it in place and show you. Just a second here, just let me get this peeled off. I'm going to put it in place here, and I'm going to show you that it is extremely strong. All right, this is the patch, matches the pool cover, and what I'm going to do is just going to put it in place down here like this, just to cover the damage. All right, I'm going to press it in place, and I'm just going to rub over it just a little bit with some pressure. And that's all it is to patch the hole. The hole is now patched. I'm going to go on and do my next one. But I just wanted to thank you for stopping by and watching this, and hopefully it helps out. I'll put a link in the description to the product I bought on Amazon in case you have some holes in your pool cover too. Thanks and have a great day.